for nonsense work.
People are here. So friends, we enjoy today. हेलो दीदू, कैसी है? मजे में? कहाँ लगाओगे इसे? साल में?
और महन
हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक।
किसी का ठंडा नहीं था? ठंडा था। 90% are people are sleepy. 90% people are living in sleepy consciousness during the work, during the talk, during the sitting also, during the eating. Little bit they are aware about eating, more aware than other things. Little bit aware. But mostly people are. One of the biggest impression we have by sleep, much impressed, means fully involved. That's why people has need to do little bit active something also. Yoga, pranayama, then kundalini or other kind of meditation is needed. Means you have lot of carbon dioxide and less amount oxygen. You are not fully in life. So first thing people have need to change the breathing attitude. Breathing attitude. If you change your breathing going unconsciously, and unconsciously you are getting the breathing, it is क्या हुआ इधर लगा
ऊपर वाले उस पे लगा देना।
ये बड़ी आफत सी लाइक एटम बम। People has need to change the breathing attitude. Actually, if you want to do something for awareness, then little bit you try to manage your awareness by breathing. 24 hours you try little deep breathing. Now people has breathing 25% only. 75% they can manage if they want. And you are happy, you are in life, and what you are doing, all kind of activities, you are doing with 20%. And you have capacity for 100%. So you cannot be satisfied with your any act. Because every act you are doing with sleepy posture. When you are sleepy, you can't enjoy. You are doing any kind of things, or you are sleepy. Then the work is burden. Somehow your life is burden. You have a lot of burden together with life. Because you are living with only 25%. So you are getting the breathing just for survive life. Otherwise you will die. So everybody has a breathing quantity for they can survive life. They can survive. They are not enjoying, they can survive only. And people are since long time agree for only surviving life. They don't want to be happy, blissful, and dancing attitude. If you change 1 week your attitude, 1 week here, you change by willpower. Now start full breathing. There will be sure effort. Sure. Because since childhood to now, big gap. When you were child, it was natural. Child getting breathing fully. Child living with life 100%. You surprised, 100%. That's why child, you can't compare the activities of child with you. They can do many things. Moment to moment. They are enjoying very nicely. And never tired, fresh. Why? They are in natural process. And we are less breathing, more thinking. I think much thinking and less breathing. And people had this idea, very much thought. Every empty things want to be filled up. The existence has this attitude. If something is empty, then something will go there. It will be filled up. If you are filling the blanks, the space by breathing, then automatically thought cannot reach there. Because you have something before thought. If you are not feeling, then thought feeling. This is byproduct. Just like, for example, if in the garden you are not doing very good work and nice plant, then unnecessary things grow. Nobody take care, but it grow very fast. This thought, like a garbage, the automatic comes. Automatic, without invitation. You have no invitation for any thought. You surprise. But there comes a lot to you. Because this whole environment full with thoughts. Everybody releasing. So they are moving. And you are not full with your oxygen, then it will fill up by thought process. You surprise. Because existence has filling the blanks. This is the quality of existence, filling the blanks. If any blank thinks, existence filling by something. Here, this is the law of existence actually. If somewhere you can see the air has a gap, then cloud comes. Immediate. Air has a big gap because existence has this quality, filling the blanks. Immediate. If you have empty in your mind and there is no real things, then thought entered there. So 1 week you try. If you are filling by oxygen, oxygen means prana, vital energy. The feeling should be vital energy. If vital energy cannot reach there, then thought reach there. And thought fill up the blanks. Then people are suffering. Because always people have unnecessary thought. Unnecessary, there is no need. Thousands of thoughts are working there. And you want to avoid. Direct, there is no way. You cannot do anything. You try all kind of situation, but you can't do anything. If you want to be free with this process, filling the blanks. So start breathing.